You know that one bag you always wish you had when packing? This is it. Lightweight, folds flat, but opens up to fit everything. Clothes, shoes, skincare, the works. Water-resistant shell, comfy straps, and a back sleeve that slides over your suitcase handle. No wobble, no hassle. Perfect for weekend trips, gym days, or just-in-case moments. It's the bag that quietly becomes your favorite. Running low on battery with no outlet in sight? This tiny guy's got your back. It's a keychain, but also a power bank. Plug it in, and boom, instant charge. No cables, no waiting. Small enough to forget it's even on your keys, powerful enough to save your day. There's something calming about watching tea slowly pour into the pot. Just drop in your favorite loose leaves, add hot water, and press the top. That's it. Your tea flows down, perfectly steeped right when it's ready. No mess, no oversteeping, and definitely no bitter aftertaste. The heat-resistant glass keeps it clean and safe, while the design does the rest, effortlessly. It's the kind of teapot that makes you want to slow down a little. Perfect for solo moments, or when you've got friends over and everyone wants just one more cup. And yeah, it's one of those pieces that actually looks good sitting on your counter. Reading at night without waking anyone? This panel's made for that. It lights just the page. No glare, no eye strain, sits flat like a clear sheet, and it's super light. No neck lamps, no weird angles, just tap and read. Bed, couch, plane, wherever. If you're a one more chapter kind of reader, you'll love this. It's a walking stick, but when you need to rest, it becomes a seat in seconds. Perfect for walks, waiting in line, or just taking a break when you're out and about. It's lightweight, easy to fold, and sturdy enough to sit on without worry. Opens smoothly, folds back up with no hassle. You can carry it like a cane, but it quietly has your back when you need it most. Simple, practical, and honestly, kind of brilliant.